What happens to methylene blue when we shake it up in an alkaline solution of glucose? Let's find out.
For this experiment, we'll use sodium hydroxide to create an alkaline solution of 250 milliliters of distilled water. We're using dextrose, which is the commercialized version of glucose, and of course, methylene blue. Begin by measuring out 16 grams of sodium hydroxide. Add the sodium hydroxide to 250 milliliters of distilled water and stir until aqueous. Then measure 10 grams of glucose. Add your glucose to your solution of sodium hydroxide. And again, stir the solution until it's aqueous. Add just 1 drop of methylene blue. Transfer your solution to a flat-bottom metric flask.
Okay, here's the best part. Watch what happens when I shake my solution. It turns blue, and if I wait for a moment, the reaction reverses back to its clear state. How is that possible? I'll do it again. Right now it's clear. I'm gonna shake it up, and it turns blue. Just look at that, isn't that amazing? So what's happening here is, if you notice, there's some oxygen inside my metric flask. And when I shake it, that oxygen dissolves in the solution and it oxidizes the methylene blue and turns it blue. But when I let it set, the methylene blue is reduced to leucomethylene in its clear state. Here we go again. I'm gonna shake it. Right now, oxygen is dissolving in the solution. It oxidizes the methylene blue and it's blue. Now just watch for a moment and it'll turn clear. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
Here's the simplified equation for this amazing redox reaction. We start with the reactants methylene blue, glucose, and sodium hydroxide in an aqueous solution. We have 1 mole of methylene blue, that's the C₁₆H₁₈N₃SCl. That's when it's in its blue state. We have 1 mole of glucose, that's the C₁₆H₁₂O₆, and we have 2 moles of sodium hydroxide, that's the 2NaOH. Those create the products leucomethylene blue, gluconic acid, and sodium chloride. We have 1 mole of leucomethylene blue, that's the C₁₆H₁₈N₃SOH. That's methylene blue in its reduced clear state. We have 1 mole of gluconic acid, that's the C₁₆H₁₂O₆, and we have 2 moles of sodium chloride, that's the 2NaCl in this amazing redox reaction.
I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.